the lava lamp with our arms. Water. You put oil. Glasses. Coloring tablet. Blue coloring. Now we're gonna drink some. Now we're gonna print some. We're gonna put our blue color in the water.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, Isaiah, I think you got enough food color in yours.
I'm gonna put my baking bowl in here.
Alright, go ahead. Whoa, look at it already. Whoa. Alright. Whoa.
Wow. They're also down.
Yeah. Alright, Madison, now it's your turn. Alright, go ahead, Maddie. You got it? Hold the bottle with you. No, Isaiah, hold on. There you go.
I have her. It's on the.
It's okay.
It's on-
We'll clean it up. Alright, I gotta get some more. Let's do it some more. Oh, look at it already. Woo.
It's shaking.
Alright, good job, you guys. Alright. Keep going, put some more in there. Ooh, look at it, you guys. Whoa. Whoa. Isn't that awesome, you guys?
Yeah.
It's cool. Your very own lava lamps. Woo. Oh. Whoa, Madison, look at yours. Woo. Isaiah, come back. Whoa. Isn't that awesome, you guys? Cool. I just saw that.
Yeah, Pop.
Say bye.